A special guest.
Yeah, you know, now, John, is the time when you have to start thinking about those summer camps and getting your kids signed up for it. And there is a wonderful camp, a summer court camp that's happening in July that you need to get your kids to be a part of. We have Pamela Escobar here, who is the Community Access and Outreach Administrator here in Mecklenburg County. And the Honorable District Court Judge Ty Hands is also here. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Good morning. Court camp, like in an actual courtroom court camp.
Absolutely, that's the whole point.
Tell us how it works, Pam.
Well, so this is 4 one-week sessions that will be happening in July, and it's a great opportunity for students who are 14 to 18 years old to sign up and to experience the Mecklenburg County Courthouse. But they don't just see what happens in the courthouse. We also give them some field trips to get them to see a large law firm. They go to the CMPD crime lab.
Wow.
They go to the jail. That's run by the sheriff's office. So it's really an opportunity for them to understand the entire criminal justice system. And they're doing great work.
And they actually get to do like a trial, right? A mock trial?
Exactly. And
yes.
Judge Ty Hands can tell you all about it.
Yes, they have an opportunity to do a mock trial. One of the students is actually a judge, and they have a jury, they have a defense attorney, and they have a prosecutor.
Wow, that is so neat for them to be exposed to something like this. Do you find, Judge, that teenagers, it's hard to get their attention and get them interested in something, but do you find that these students over the years have been really interested in this process?
They are entirely engaged. Our experience has been that people often want to know what goes on in the courthouse, so this is their opportunity to come in the courthouse when it's not a scary situation.
Sure.
And they come in, and by Friday, that's when I preside over the court camp graduation. They're like at home in the courthouse.
They know the ropes already and they're ready to go, right?
Yes.
That is so fantastic. We're seeing some of the previous students who have been a part of this. After that whole week, there's a big ceremony at the end, right, for students?
Yes, there's a graduation ceremony over which usually I preside. Parents and family are welcome, and we get an opportunity to talk about their experience, get feedback, and they get to, of course, they get to meet a judge, and through the week they get to meet other judges, but that's kind of a one-on-one personal opportunity where the students can ask me questions, the family asks questions, and we get to celebrate their week of exposure to the legal system.
That's fantastic. And Pam, go into a little more detail who this is open to. Do they have to be part of Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools?
They don't have to be Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools. They do have to live in Mecklenburg County.
Okay.
So it is for students who live in the county, but if they're homeschooled or if they go to private schools or charter schools, more than welcome to sign up. There is an application. The application deadline is at the end of the month.
Okay.
So spaces are filling up. There's only 15 students per week, and we have 4 weeks. So it is a prestigious opportunity for them. It's a unique opportunity because there are other camps that offer exposure to the law field, but it's nothing like ours because it's in the Mecklenburg County Courthouse.
Sure.
That mock trial isn't in a classroom, it's in a courtroom, a real courtroom. And they're going to be meeting with the professionals who work there every day, from the public defender's office, from the district attorney's office, and even all the staff that work at the courthouse as well.
And what a way to give them a better understanding. I mean, they, on the news, maybe see the beginning process or the very end process of a trial, but this goes through the beginning, start, middle, and end, which is just a fantastic learning opportunity. Okay, so where can folks go online to see this application or get more information?
Yeah, so we definitely have a website. It's through Justice Initiatives, which is our nonprofit.
Okay.
It's /court camp. So if anybody has any questions, they can get the application materials are there. And yeah, it's open through until the end of the month. So we're hoping kids definitely apply.
Chop, chop. This is the time, seriously, to get those kids signed up for camps in a lot of places, and what a wonderful learning experience and a fun experience as well.
Well, I was saying, I love looking at the surveys and seeing what these students say, and we love those aha moments where they say, I didn't know this before. And that's what it's all about. We want them to learn about the legal system, and it's a great way to do it.
Great way to do it in such an intimate setting with just the 15 students per session, too. Good idea. All right, thank you, ladies, for coming in. Good to see you. We'll be back right after this break.